Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 57 and today we are looking at how you can protect sheet. So you have built a report and now what you want to do is you want to send it to people to be able to use as it is. And you are concerned that if you send to less skilled or to less Excel skilled people, they might drag things out of place and not know how to undo the changes they would have done. For example, one would probably by mistake drag this chart out of place and now they don't know how to drag it back to its place. So you want to protect it and only allow users to use specific or to edit specific sections of the report. How can you achieve that? You use protect sheet. So with protect sheet, you go to review tab. I'm already there, so you would go to review tab and select protect sheet over here. Then here you select what you want the users to be able to do. So one of the key things I just want to show is this edit object functionalities here. So it's unchecked, that's good. I would want it to be unchecked because once I protect the sheet, I don't want the users to be able to edit objects. So you can also select whatever you want to allow the users to do, you just leave it checked. So the select logged cells and select unlogged cells, we're going to look at it in detail tomorrow. Format cells, if you want to allow the users to format cells, like for example, color the cells or change the font size and so on, you can check it as well. You can also allow users to format rows, to insert rows, insert hyperlinks, and so on and so on. Once you have selected what you want to allow your users to do, then you can click OK. You can also put a password. It's optional. You can just protect without a password, or you can add a password so that someone cannot just unprotect it. Then you say, once you're done, you then say OK. Then the good thing with this is now that even if the user tries to select the graph here, they cannot select it and they cannot move it. So that way your report is sort of rigid and they can use as it is, but they can still filter what they want to see and see the results. So they can use the report, but they cannot make unwanted changes. So this is how you can protect sheet. So if you want to unprotect it, you can also just click on unprotect here. But remember, if you had used a password, then you would need to put a password to unprotect it. Because I didn't use any password, I can just say unprotect. Then it's unprotected. I can now select and edit my chart. All right, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.